Hello and welcome back to this channel. So guys, let's know how to find a job in Dubai. Hope you all of know that Dubai is a Gulf country and due to high salary and high economical strong country, so many candidates wants to move Dubai with a job and they also want a good salary with a good career, so you can build a good career in Dubai with a good salary. So let's discuss what is the latest job openings from Dubai and how to apply and how you can get this job in Dubai and how you can move Dubai with your jobs. Let's discuss the first job. Accounts payable offers required in Dubai. Urgently hiring for an accounts payable offers with a SAP experience who can join immediately. Temporary role for 4 to 6 months. Salary 7,000 Dubai dirham. The currency of Dubai is dirham. I hope you all of know that. So guys, nationality, any nationality can apply. Gender, male or female can both can apply. Job location Dubai, Jebel Ali. Contact. You have to forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. Before you forward your CV, please keep in mind to work as an accounts payable. You should have the proper qualifications and proper experience. If you have any doubt, if you have any confusion, you can ask your question by forwarding your mail to this official email ID and they can give you the answers about the requirements about this process. So if you're interested to work as accounts payable in Dubai, forward your updated CV with all documents and apply as soon as possible. Let's move to the next job. Aluminium installers required in Dubai. UAE, I hope you all of know that UAE stands for United Arab Emirates and Dubai is a city. Also, Abu Dhabi is a city of UAE country. The country name is UAE. I hope you all of know that. Still, I would like to remember you. The country name is UAE, and the city or the capital is Dubai. Also, the capital city of UAE is Abu Dhabi. So, company details: Aluminium and Glazing Company in Dubai. Job description: salary ranged 1,100 dirham to 1,400 dirham. So guys, if you have no idea about the currency, you can search in Google what is the currency of Dubai dirham according to your home country currency. So guys, you can apply as a aluminium installers in Dubai. So let's discuss what is the requirements. Candidates should have experience in aluminum and glazing field. Job details. Final client interview in the address of Bangalore. It's in India. So there are contact numbers also you can contact and also you can forward your order CV to the given official email ID. As you can see here, they mentioned your CV, educational and experience certificate with photo with passports, scan copy to the given official email ID. So guys, first of all, keep in mind if you are interested to apply to work as aluminum installers, please focus. The employer said you should have the aluminum and glazing experience. If you have experience, of course, you can apply by providing your updated CV. Otherwise, you can directly visit to the office and attend the client interview. It's a better option. In my all videos, I always suggesting please directly visit to the office if you are getting the official address and you can ask, you can verify properly, then you can apply for this job. So I already told you this is a recent job openings from Dubai. So this is the next job. Aluminium fabricators required in Dubai. The company details: aluminium and glazing company in Dubai. Job descriptions: salary will be 1,500 to 1,800 dirham. Free food and accommodations will be provided by the company. Candidates should have experience in aluminium and glazing field. Job application details: final client interview in the address in Bangalore. And as you can see here, the official email ID, the official contact numbers, official address, everything in front of you. Don't need to be confused, don't need to be worried. You can reach to the office directly by this address and you can ask, you can verify, then you can apply as soon as possible as a aluminum fabricator. Let's move to the next job, AutoCAD Draftsman. So guys, nowadays so many candidates done the AutoCAD course and they want to move with a abroad country or any international to get a job in AutoCAD field. So if you have the proper qualifications as a AutoCAD draftsman, you can apply for this job. Aluminium and glazing company in Dubai. Job descriptions 3,500 to 5,500 dirham. Free food accommodations will be provided by the company. Candidates should have experience in aluminum and glazing field. Also, the very important, you should have the proper experience as an AutoCAD operator. Then guys, you can visit to the office, you can attend the client interview. Again, I would like to tell you, if you are getting the official address, don't send email, don't call them, directly visit to the office. Try to visit directly, and after you reach the office, verify it, check it, and after you getting genuine process, after you getting confirmations about the job, then you can apply and you can attend the client interview. So guys, in this video I already shared with you different job openings from Dubai, like AutoCAD operator, then aluminum fabricators, then aluminum installers, then accounts payable. So if you are interested to apply any of these four jobs, and if you have the proper qualifications and experience to apply any of these four jobs, don't be late. Directly visit to the office. If you are belongs to India, you can visit directly to Bangalore. If you are out of India, you can directly call them and you can ask and you can verify, then you can apply and attend the client interview, and of course you will get this job. This is a recent job openings from Dubai, so don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. So guys, please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course it will be valuable for them. So finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will come with a recent job openings, new job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.